My name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Welcome to Thrifting is My Beach, where I am a part-time reseller and I've recently dipped into ThredUP. I've been doing it for 3 months, and at first I was wanting to profit about $10 each item. However, with current circumstances, I'm trying to increase my profits, and labels are becoming harder and harder to get, and they're taking longer to get. So I did change my business model. If you follow me here on a regular basis, I recently explained it where I'm being more selective. Before, I used to send in a lot of mall brands and I would again be happy with, around $10. Now I'm trying to get about $15 to $20. I recently had this kit actually just got processed, so I just adjusted my prices, and again I'm doing the max, which is 80% of the retail. So I'm just going to try to go slower than my previous videos. I also tend to talk a little fast, so I do apologize, and I need to make a note to myself to slow down. Okay, so here is the kit. The number you see here, the 2063, is the number after I've adjusted my prices. I do still pay for expedited and return assurance. I will continue to do so for the items that I specifically source for ThredUP. When I get free donations, when people give me clothes they no longer want, I will do regular processing and return assurance because the fees do add up and eat into my profits. So let's go ahead and get started. I will let you know some of these items are listed like for the second time. This White House Black Market cardigan is new with tags. It did not sell the first time. I'm pretty surprised because White House Black Market does pretty good. CJ Banks is Christopher Banks plus size line. It tends to do decent, and the payout is exactly what I want, above the $15 to $20. I do stick with jackets, sweaters, coats, pants, and jeans. I stay clear of shirts and blouses unless they are Eileen Fisher, St. John, a higher end brand, because the payouts would be super low. If it was, like CJ Banks, the payout, it would retail for $45 and the payout would give me probably less than $10. So the Jones New York signature jacket, I think I tried selling it before, and this is the second round. Zenergy is an athletic line by Chico's, and I have not sent that in before. I think it was rejected the first time and they accepted it the second time. These weatherproof casual pants, I got these for $1 at a local thrift store, and I just wanted to try out the brand because the quality felt pretty good, and I'm hoping for the $19.50 payout. I sent in some Clarks. I source those if they're in like new condition and sell them myself, but I tend to usually only get $25, and they do sit for a while for me. So I've seen people have success on ThredUP with the brand Clarks. We will see, because if I could honestly get $54, I would make a point to, pick up all the Clarks I see, because I pass on several. This Brighton satchel bag, I don't know if you've been to Brighton's website, but they retail for a couple $100s. I got this at the bins and paid about $2 for it. I've had it for sale for over a year for, I think, $35. I think I lowered it to $30 at one point. And purses have immediate payouts on ThredUP. They cannot be returned. That is what I like. So I have sent, as you can see through this kit, I've sent in some of my older inventory of purses. These Carlisle pants, they're suede, floral embroidered pants. I've heard of this brand before. It was $1. I think it was $1. Maybe I paid a couple dollars. I don't remember. But it was definitely worth it to pay up, because as you can see, I would be shocked if these actually sold. But even if I made a couple $100, off of a few dollars, that would be great. They may sit for a while because I believe they're an older style, but you could totally rock those, just how you style it. These Gap jeans I bought 2 years ago at Marshall's Yellow Tag clearance sale for $3, and I tried selling them myself. I lowered them clear down to like $10. Could not sell them. I think I've sold one pair already on ThredUp, and this I think is the other pair that hasn't sold yet. This is the second round. This Coach shoulder bag, I can't believe they're letting me mark it up that big. It can be transitioned into a wristlet. The handle can be clipped over, so it can become a wristlet, but it is smaller, and I mean, I almost didn't mark it to the max price, but I'm just testing it out. Like I said, I haven't sold purses before. Kohan, price as well. I think I had these marked at $45, and I had some likes, but I've had them at least 6 months, and I'm just ready to, move my inventory out. These cabbie pants, I believe I showed in a previous haul. I got them for a few dollars. Maybe I paid up to $5. I can't remember. At my most recent Iowa trip when I went sourcing. Cabbie price as well. I can't tell you the sell-through rate off the top of my head. I know I've sold at least 1 or 2 pieces on ThredUp. Echo, I've had these for probably a year. I got them at the outlet. When I mean the outlet, I mean the Goodwill bins. So I pay by the pound, and they're very lightweight, maybe $1. So if I could get even $30 payout, I would be completely thrilled. This Chico's jacket is like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's very reflective. It's, in my opinion, it's not the cutest thing, but we'll see if it goes. I've had it in my inventory for like 2 years and I can't sell it. These Rafaela, I can't pronounce it correctly. These pants are actually a relative of mine donated these to me, and I almost didn't send them, but I recently sold a sweater by this brand, and I think the payout was at least $10, maybe $9. And I figured, you know what, I just need to get the box filled up, so I went ahead and put it in, and, if they sell, they sell, and get $20. This White House Black Market cardigan, I recently bought on my Iowa trip for, I think I paid $4 for it, but these long dusters, people love them. They're very cozy. And I would be happy with a $30 payout. These Pendleton wool pants were new with tags. They seem to be a little bit of an older style. I'm guessing at least 10 years old. But Pendleton is expensive. Resale value, depending on the style, is not the greatest. So I would be thrilled to make almost $100 when I paid, I don't know, I'd have to look at my spreadsheet, but I paid probably less than $5, like maybe $5. Maybe I paid $1 for these. I don't know. I've been sourcing a lot lately. Here we have another pair of weatherproof pants. They were the exact same color, or different color, same style, same size. And they were so cozy. They're like a pull-on with like the dry fit polyester material. And so I figured if they don't sell, I might keep them because I think they're my size. Here we have Michael Kors casual pants. These were $1. And, that's the max payout, $18.82. Michael by Michael Kors does not sell well for me personally, but on ThredUp, I think I've sold 1 or 2 items for full price. This ECI casual dress, I don't know why I picked it up. I thought it was cute. I think it has like a little tiered bell sleeve. The payout, $15.61. Otherwise, I'll just reclaim and sell myself. Here we have a Talbot's cardigan. You all know, if you watch my previous videos, I love selling Talbots. It sells well. I'm pretty consistent at max price or near max price. Okay, this Dooney & Burke purse I actually personally purchased off of eBay for $55. I wore it, or I guess I used it for maybe a few months, and it's just too small for me. It's a really cute vintage made in the USA bucket bag. And I actually had a wallet that went with it. I tried selling this bag with a matching wallet for $70 on Poshmark, and I think I had it listed at $60 on eBay, so technically I would be losing money. I've had it listed for over a year, and I've seen the prices on ThredUp for vintage Dooney, and so I figured it'd be worth a try. Let's see. We're getting near the end. Harlow and Graham. This was new with tags. Super cute. It's actually still on their website. I can't remember what they were asking on their website. Bell sleeve, open front, blazer. And then this Gap casual dress is really like a thick material, perfect for the season, very fit and flare, cute. For Gap, I'm only picking up, you know, the items that can profit me, like, you know, dresses, coats, and blazers. Pants are iffy, maybe some jeans if they're new with tags, but here you have it. Here is my new kind of game plan for ThredUP, and it's probably going to change maybe as, you know, someday if we can ever print out labels. I know some of you can, those lucky few, but for me, I have to order my labels, well, not really labels, my Cleanout bags that they send me, and wait 2 to 3 weeks for them to arrive. And yeah, I'm very pleased with this number that you see. I usually only sell 20 to 30% of the items that are listed, but I always reclaim and I send it right back to ThredUP. I hope this video was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and comment down below what ThredUP content or videos you would like to see. Have a Thriftalicious day.